There's one simple client system that helped a small agency scale past $5.6 million, and you can copy the same structure to get your first $10,000 a month. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact model step by step. You'll see the niche, the offer, the system behind it, and the simple math that gets you from your first client to $10,000 months. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley. Now let's talk about the exact model behind a $5.6 million agency. There's a company called Church Candy started by Brady Sticker, and he didn't start with some big business plan. He was working during the day, running ads and landing pages and serving as a youth pastor at night. He just wanted to get more people in seats on Sunday. He ran a $500 Facebook ad for his church and nobody showed up. Instead of quitting, he focused on fixing one thing, which was his follow-up. He used GoHighLevel to bring people in and then automatically follow up with them so they can actually attend. That simple system turned into about 50 clients and $260,000 a year early on, and eventually scaled to over 1,000 churches and $5.6 million in revenue. The model was simple: run ads, follow up, get people to show up, and turn that into proof and repeat. Now, the platform behind that system is GoHighLevel. It combines funnels, text and email follow-up, booking, and CRM into one place. You can build a simple get people in the door system for any niche. But the real opportunity is not the tool itself. It's using it to build a system that solves one clear problem for a specific type of business. And that's exactly what they did. They didn't sell software. They built a system that delivered a result. When you look at how this actually works, everything comes down to three simple pieces. You bring in leads, you follow up with those leads, and you manage those conversations so they turn into customers. The $5.6 million agency didn't do anything complicated. They used these core features to build one simple system that helped churches get more people to show up. So instead of overthinking features, you want to think in terms of outcomes. So step number one is to pick one niche and one result. If I were starting from zero, I would follow this exact structure and start with one niche and one result. This is the biggest difference between people who make this work and people who don't. They didn't try to help everyone. They focused on churches and one specific outcome, getting people to show up. That's what made it easy to explain, easy to sell, and easy to get results. If I were doing this today, I would pick a niche where people are already paying for leads or clients. Think med spas, gyms, real estate agents, or local service businesses. Then I would pick one clear result, like getting more booked appointments, more consultations, or more customers walking in. Step number two is to build the same simple system. Once you have your niche and result, the next step is building the actual system. This is where most people can really overcomplicate things. But if you look at what actually worked, it was very simple. They brought in leads through ads, and then they followed up with those leads automatically. That's it. Brady's whole system was one ad, one landing page, one follow-up sequence that reminded people to show up, plus a CRM to track everything. The ad gets attention, the page captures the leads, and the follow-ups make sure that they don't forget or drop off. Step number three is to sell the outcome like they did. Now, once you have the system, the next step is how you talk about it, and this is where most people really go wrong. They didn't sell automation or funnels, they sold a result, which was getting more people to show up. Pastors didn't care about the back end. They cared about seeing new people in seats. And that's a really important shift. If you say, I build systems or I set up GoHighLevel, most people are not going to care. But if you say, I help you get more booked appointments consistently, now they understand exactly what they're getting. So if I were doing this, I'd take the result I picked in step one, turn it into one simple sentence, something clear, direct, and outcome-based. That's what makes people say yes, not the text. Step number four is to scale to 10K months using this model. Now, this is where it becomes very real. If you're charging around $1,000 to $2,000 per month, you only need 5 to 10 clients to hit $10,000 per month. And that's it. And this is exactly how the $5.6 million agency started. They didn't start at scale. They started with one client, then a few, then more, and built from there. For context, early on, they had around 50 clients doing around $260,000 a year, which comes out to roughly $400 to $500 per client per month. That's not a crazy price point, which shows this is actually doable. Once you have a system that works and a clear offer, getting to that 5 to 10 client range becomes much more achievable because you're not guessing anymore. Step number five is to turn it into something bigger. So once you've done that, this is where things start to open up. Instead of rebuilding everything for every client, you can start turning your system into something repeatable. That might look like templates, pre-built funnels, or even something people can access on a monthly basis. This is exactly what happened here. The service evolved into something closer to SaaS, where clients weren't just paying for setup, they were paying to keep using the system. That's how you go from just getting clients to building something that scales. You start with the service, prove the result, and then turn it into something people can keep paying for. That's how you move from just making money to building something that grows beyond your time. This works because it's simple and repeatable. You're not relying on trends or complicated strategies. You're truly solving a problem that businesses will always have, which is getting and converting leads. It also works because because it creates reoccurring income. Instead of one-time payments, clients pay monthly because the system continues to bring results. And most importantly, it works because it's focused. Every successful example follows the same pattern. One niche, one problem, one system. Okay, now let's talk about the pros and cons of this model so you can decide if it's a good fit for you and your business. So one of the biggest advantages is that this model is already proven. You're not guessing, you're not following a structure that has generated millions in revenue. At the same time, it does take effort in the beginning. You need to learn how to get clients and build something that actually works. It's not passive up front, but it becomes much easier to scale once you actually have the results. Now, in terms of the cost of GoHighLevel, truly most people don't need a lot of clients to actually make this work. In most cases, just 2 or 3 clients can completely cover the cost of the platform, and everything after that just becomes profit. A simple way to approach this is to treat the free 30-day trial like a challenge. Use this time to launch your offer and aim to land just 1 client before the trial ends. If you can do that, you've already proven that the model works. And if you want to get access to an extended 30-day free trial, we do have a link down in the description below where you can get started. If you want to reach $10,000 per month with the least amount of moving parts, this is one of the most clearest paths forward. It's based on a real agency that went from a failed $500 ad to over $5.6 million in revenue. This is a great fit if you're okay working with clients and want something that can generate in relatively quickly. Then over time, you can turn it into something more scalable like a system or SaaS business. I know that this can feel like a lot at first, especially when you're trying to figure out what actually works versus what just sounds good online. But when you look at real examples like this, it becomes a lot clearer. This isn't about doing something complicated. It's really about doing something simple, consistently, and focusing on the results. Right now, write down 1 niche and 1 result. Then use the link in the description to start your GoHighLevel free trial and build the first version of your system this week. That wraps up this video. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.